This is the weather forecast video for Tuesday, June the 7th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a large complex of thunderstorms over Montana, where some severe weather took place last evening. Some other thunderstorm complexes over Lake Huron and the Deep South. Watch warning map from last evening. You can see there was a tornado watch over Montana that expired early in the morning. Some flood issues over Wyoming, Idaho, into Oregon and Washington. Otherwise, the nation is fairly quiet. Here's the severe weather risk. This is for tomorrow and tomorrow night. So for Wednesday, a slight risk of severe weather for a good deal of the state, mainly south and east of a line from about Glenwood to Osage. Large hail and damaging winds will be the main threats. The slight risk goes from northeastern Kansas to northern lower Michigan. Here's the QPF chart. Rain over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock, and you can see some fairly substantial rain amounts of upwards of 3 inches of rain, and this is dependent on where thunderstorms will fall. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. today. You can see a trough over the western half of the country with a big ridge centered over the Tennessee Valley with a vortex moving through southeastern Montana, where a surface low will be also forming in the North Dakota-South Dakota border. That's where the moisture will be, but we'll be on the warm side capped off, highs in the mid to upper 90s. Wednesday, the front will be moving through the state. The model here is at 1 p.m., so the thunderstorms will develop after this time during the late afternoon and evening hours as the front begins to move through the state. Thursday, the front begins to stall just south of the state and will be on the north side, so temperatures will be much cooler, highs likely in the 70s to near 80 with chances of showers and thunderstorms, and this will be ongoing into Friday. With the front still in the vicinity, there could be a widely scattered shower or storm late in the afternoon and evening, as we'll be still on the north side of the front. We head into the weekend. Saturday, same story. The front will be just to the south, but a widely scattered shower or storm is still possible. Highs will be a few degrees either side of 80. Same story Sunday, as the front will still be in the vicinity, so some showers and storms possible. Temperatures a few degrees either side of 80. Monday, the front begins to lift back northward as a warm front, so the showers and storms will be moving through the state. Readings will begin to warm up close to 90 over the southwest by Monday. A week from today, next Tuesday, you can see the ridges back over the center part of the country, the trough over the west and a trough over the eastern part of the country. And at the surface, that front is moving through the far northeastern counties, so an early shower is possible a week from today. Otherwise, the southwesterly winds and warm temperatures and highs are in the low to mid 90s again. We head off into Voodoo country. Here's June the 16th. A trough moves in with a cold front that'll break the heat wave that is probable next week, and with that could come some showers and thunderstorms and possibly some severe weather and some heavy rain looking at this model run here. And at the end of the forecast period on June the 22nd, fairly zonal flow across the country with a bit of a trough over the center part of the country, while at the surface you can see some scattered showers and storms around, which is typical of summertime weather in the center part of the country. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.